Okay, when you want to install the cartridges, just ready. Make sure you have your cartridges ready. Pull the tape. Once you get that done, pull this on top and the front, and you'll see them right there. These are just cartridges, visualization of what they look like when you put them on. Just take them out. Take a closer look. Now let's go by order. Let's go yellow first. Okay, once you have your cartridge ready, pull out of the wrapper. Just use this right here. Make sure you put it proper order. We'll make it like this, facing towards. We'll go with the color. Just push it in, and when you hear the click, you're ready to go. Good. Next on the next one. These OE wrappers are always so thick to open. Okay, just continue. Just put it like this, facing towards in the section. You click, press it. When you hear that click, you got it. Continue the next one. And so on. Continue to do the same. Good. Now we do it in the black one. Okay, now you have those. Now you have your ink cartridges ready to go. And once you close the door, now it's the printer will automatically make the print heads ready to print and make sure the ink's properly inside.